Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Cumulative Update KB5078885 not installing on Windows 10. First, open Windows Settings, Update and Security. Windows Update. Click Pause Updates, wait a few seconds, and then click Resume Updates. Sometimes pausing and resuming the update fixes the issue. If the problem continues, type Services in the Windows search bar and open it. Find Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and App Readiness. Set each service to Automatic. Click Start if it's stopped, and then restart the service. Next, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, Update, and Security, Troubleshoot, Additional Troubleshooters. Select Windows Update and run the troubleshooter. After it finishes, restart your computer. You can also run SFC and DISM commands. Type CMD command in the search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt. Set Run as Administrator. After that, run the repair commands one by one. Once the scans finish, restart your PC. If the update still fails, go to the Microsoft Update Catalog. Search for KB5078885. Download the correct version for your Windows version and system type, and install it manually. As a last step, you can use the Media Creation tool to upgrade Windows while keeping personal files and apps. One of these methods should help you install the update successfully. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.